So as an affiliate marketer, I promote all kinds of things in multiple niches. Now, when it comes to the make money online niche, there are only 3 affiliate programs that are my core systems that I promote. Now, I pretty much promote these in all of my videos. I put these programs in the description and in the comments of all of my videos. Why? Because these 3 programs are good products, super easy to start, and have crazy earning potential. And I've made money with all 3. So let's get into these 3 affiliate programs that could get you rich. All right, the first program is Infinity Processing System. Now, Infinity Processing System is an affiliate marketing system that teaches people how to make money with affiliate marketing by posting on their social media. Now, whenever you decide to join Infinity Processing System, you have 3 options. You could come in at the $50 level, the $150 level, or the $300 level. Now, that's not like a pyramid thing or nothing like that. That just determines on how much training access you're gonna get and what amount of commission that you can earn. So for example, if you come in at the starter $50 level, you're going to get a certain amount of training to get you started with the program, and it will allow you to earn instant $50 commissions. And that goes for level 2, which is the pro level, which is $150. You obviously get more training, right? And you'll be able to earn $50 commissions as well as $150 commissions. Now, if you want the whole kit and caboodle, you want the whole business model and all of the training and be able to earn the most amount of money, you want to get the elite. You want to become an elite member, which is a one-time $300 cost. It will allow you to earn on every other package. So you come in at the $300 level, which I did, you'll be able to earn commissions from anybody who gets the $50 package, the $150 package, and the $300 package, right? So very, very cool opportunity. And what's really dope about Infinity Processing System is it really has good training inside of the program. Now, it pretty much teaches you how to make money by promoting Infinity Processing System, but the things that are taught in the program, you can pretty much use for anything that you want to promote online if you're an affiliate marketer. And this program is on fire right now. There are tons of people making money with Infinity Processing System. Now keep in mind, you do got to put that work in and you do got to grind, but the money is there. Now the second core affiliate program is Nexus Rewards. Now Nexus Rewards is fairly new, but it's just super simple, super comprehensive to get started with, and the earning potential is amazing. All right, now I love Nexus Rewards because, like I just said, the simplicity. All right, Nexus Rewards is pretty much a cashback and savings portal. It allows people to get cash back or receive savings every time they shop on or offline. Now, as a premium member of Nexus Rewards, you're going to be able to earn $10 a month commissions from a $22 membership, and you'll also be able to build a team underneath you in which you can earn money from your teammates' efforts. Now, this is one of the business without a doubt when people are like, oh, this is a no-brainer. Nexus Rewards is a no-brainer. Why? Because first of all, it's only $22 a month to become a premium member of this company. So even if you don't even want to make money and earn commissions or build a team, the $22 is worth it because the money that you're going to save and the cash that you get back, it pays for itself. So even if you ain't even into the make money online, Nexus Rewards is a no-brainer. But if you're trying to make money and trying to build an online business, you can do all of that for $22 a month, and the earning potential, you can check it out for yourself, is, like I said, it's amazing. So pretty much when you think about Nexus Rewards, you're basically getting paid to help people save money when they shop on or offline. That's the best way to describe it. Like, look at it like that. You're actually helping people save money, and who the hell doesn't want to save money? Last but not least, the third affiliate program that is my core, it's something I always promote and I'm working on every day, is Instant Recall. Now, Instant Recall is in the billion-dollar data selling industry. All right, so it's very, very simple and straightforward. All you need to do to become an affiliate with Instant Recall is become a data seller. Now, before you be like, what the hell is a data seller? I ain't selling no data. Listen. Once you become a data seller for Instant Recall, they're pretty much just going to be tracking your location. So like whenever you go to, like the store or you go to the park or whatever, they're just basically keeping track of that data and they're selling it to bigger companies, advertisers, and things like that. Now you might be thinking, what? No, nope, not me. Well, ask yourself this. How do you think Google know where you at? How do you think Siri knows where you're at? How do you think Facebook knows where you're at? They're doing the same thing. They have your location, right? They have it. The only difference is between them companies and Instant Recall is those companies aren't paying you. They're not giving you an opportunity to make money. Instant Recall is. But once you download the Instant Recall app and decide to become a seller, a data seller, that's going to allow you to be able to refer other people, and whenever they become a data seller, which is another no-brainer opportunity, they're going to be able to earn money by doing the same thing. So once again, you're just offering people the chance to sell their data, right, and earn money. Now you might be thinking, whoa bro, you said you got to become a data seller and this and that. Is there a cost to any of this? Yes, I'm gonna keep it real, right? To become a data seller / Instant Recall business builder, it's $3.99 a month, right? And this is just to, like I said, it's for you to be able to be a data seller and build a business, a recurring monthly income, all right? Now, anytime you see anybody promoting the Instant Recall opportunity, you're gonna see, how could I earn $5,610 a month from this app, right? Now, when you get involved with Instant Recall, you're actually going to see how this is possible to do just by sharing this very simple app. These are my core affiliate programs. These are the ones I always promote. These are the ones I'm building. These programs are the ones that's going to take me to 6 and hopefully even 7 figures. Now, my advice is, if you are new to affiliate marketing, I would pick one of these programs. Just pick one, whenever one resonates most with you, and go hard with it, because all 3 of these are simple, super easy to get started with, super easy to promote. You just have to put in the effort. Now, if you're a little more experienced, you can go with, pick 2 of them and rock them, or do whatever you want to do if you're experienced. But if you're just getting started, pick one and go hard with it. So if you want to check out all 3 of these programs, of course, they are in the description of this video as well as the first comment. If you got any questions, leave them below and I'll try to help you out as fast as I can. Now go out there and start making that money.